Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Throw Your Arms Around Me. We'll start by mastering the 4 essential open chords, G, C, D, and M. Focus on smooth transitions between these shapes. Ensure your guitar is perfectly tuned to standard EG before you begin. Getting these basics down will build a strong foundation for the rest of the song, making your learning process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's tackle the main strumming pattern. It's a simple yet effective down-down-up-up-down motion. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear and even. The key is to maintain a consistent tempo, keeping the rhythm steady and engaging. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your speed to match the song's upbeat and driving feel. This pattern will carry you through most of the track. Understanding the song's structure is crucial for a complete performance. Identify the distinct verse, chorus, and bridge sections. Pay attention to how the energy shifts between them. You can enhance this by varying your strumming intensity, perhaps softer for verses and more robust for choruses. This dynamic approach adds depth and emotion, making your rendition more expressive and engaging for listeners. Let the song's natural melodic flow guide your playing. To elevate your playing, consider incorporating some simple fingerpicking patterns during the verses for a richer texture. Consistent practice with a metronome is invaluable for refining your timing and precision. Remember, even a few minutes daily can make a significant difference. And hey, while you're improving your guitar skills, why not treat your feet? Life's too short for cheap socks. Check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.